Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can mirror your MacBook laptop to your TV in under a minute. So before we get started, please leave a like and subscribe as it would help me a lot. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your laptop and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Alright, that's very important, make sure you do that. And so once you have that, then you want to hover over to your laptop. And you want to go to the top left to your Apple logo. You want to hit System Preferences. Then you should get this. And you want to hover over to where it says Displays. Should be in TV logo. Click on that. So you click on that, this should pop up. Go to the bottom left. Library. It says Add Display. You should get your TV popping up. Alright, if it's not connected to the same Wi-Fi and if your TV does not support this, then it will not pop up. Alright, but if you did both of those things, then it should pop up. Click on it. And it's as easy as that, guys. Easy as that. Alright, you can watch YouTube, you can look at your pictures, whatever you want to do on it. Alright, and that's it. So if this helped you out in any way, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any more questions, and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Alright guys, you guys have a good day. Peace.